Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Brow Zone number 3, guys. I'm happy you're here. We're gonna work on a reused canvas. This was the original swoosh swipe I ever tried, and it's okay. The colors are a little bit too muted for me, and Rick made a beautiful frame for this. So I took the canvas out of the frame. It's nice and clean. There's no goobers on it, and I'm gonna paint over it so I can put it back in the frame and enjoy it a little bit more. We're working with some fun colors today. We're doing some swiping because that's my jam. And I'm excited about our colors. What do we have going on here? In this yummy cup right here, we have Artist Loft Soft Body in the acrylics in their black. Really good paint. Good price, especially when you buy it in bulk from the pro shop at michaels.com. It brings the price down almost to half. Right here, another great paint, Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Silver Fine. Right here, I had to kind of mix this up. I wanted a burnt sienna. And I didn't have any, but I did have some of the Q word in the burnt orange by Golden. And what I did to it is I mixed it up and then I added just a little bit of blue to it, and it gave me a beautiful, beautiful burnt sienna. Now, how did I know how to do that? I Googled it. How do you make burnt sienna? And you add some red, you add some yellow, and if you wanted a little deeper tone, you add a little blue. So if you ever have a question, guys, Google it. They have almost all the answers. Right there is a beautiful paint, the Q word in Golden Fluids in the Nickel Azo Gold. I love my Q word, guys. It makes me smile and it plays well with so many wonderful colors. Right here is another Golden Fluid paint. That is Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Gold. And last but certainly not least, my first golden paint I ever bought. That's Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Pearl. Now our base coat color is absolutely yummy goodness, and look at this stir stick, guys. Tracie Reed, darling Tracie Reed, sent that to me with her wonderful, wonderful 4-chamber split cup, which I used the other day. Tracie, thank you. Our base coat color is really yummy as well. That is DecoArt Americana in the matte metallics, and that is their charcoal. And I lightened it up just a little bit by adding some of my Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Pearl and a little bit of the Golden Iridescent Silver. So it's fun to play with your paints, mix things up. But oh, I don't know if you can see that just pewtery, silvery, wonderful, charcoal-y goodness. But yeah, I get excited. You guys know that. Well, we are going to dampen up some paper towels. We are going to put our base coat down and we're going to play with some swiping, guys. I'm glad you're here. Let's get busy.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if all the fun times we had. I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what. 'Cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. Oh, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me 'cause you had to? 'Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good.